My name is Verna Mullins and I'm the director here at the Connection Center. The Connection Center is a really unique place because we offer a place for anyone in Wood County that has a mental health diagnosis or a substance use disorder that's 18 or over is allowed to come here and use our services for free. This is a place that offers a lot of hope and opportunities to learn about your mental illness and also to kind of like regain something meaningful in your life.
My name is Griffith. I'm a doctoral student in the clinical psychology program focusing on community psychology. And here at the Connection Center, I was the community advocate last year. Last year was the pandemic, and that was really challenging for members to stay connected to one another. And so we were communicating online, and I heard about a previous mural the members had done at the last location, and they loved the experience. They loved coming together and collaborating. So we started to bounce around ideas online about doing another mural.
I thought, what a better way than during COVID and being quarantined to get people together to be talking about something, especially creative.
When we first solicited ideas, we got a lot of great participation and feedback. Some people were interested in really showcasing our BG community and how we're a part of it, and that was really popular. So that was the main theme. But others were really interested in showing animals, especially local animal life, and that corresponds to the schools that are here too. So they thought that would lighten the mood to be able to see animals kind of each time they come into the center.
My name is Leslie Miller. I'm a member here at the Connection Center. This project was truly a labor of love by everybody involved. We have a lot of talented artists here at the Connection Center. Mental illness does not deprive us of different abilities. And so our artists took their time and submitted their designs, and we came up with something that we felt represented us.
I guess I hope that when people drive by and they look at the mural, they kind of feel like a little bit uplifted, and they feel hopeful, and they kind of feel curious. Like, what is that place? And hopefully maybe they'll even stop in and ask some questions.
I think that this mural is important in showing the incredible talents and collaboration of people with mental illness, and stigma is still prevalent in communities across the states. And so it's still important to show that people with mental illness are vital members of the community, and they're around us all the time, and many of them are us.